What is leadership? You need to understand that leadership is something which, Hamza, what you are saying is, leaders are not expert like a technical nerd, a computer nerd, or an expert of political figures or data or anything or scientific space program. No, leader is able to use all these expertise. No, he is able to bring all these different expertise and put them together in a best possible combination to get the best possible overall result. They will find a way, they will find the people, they will find the expertise, bring all these different kinds of people, these different kind of expertise. Yeah, they are exactly like an artist. And they put them, and they know which way the trend is going, and what will be the outcome of that trends, and who is needed to change or to mold the trend, and where can you find them, and how to then manage them.